Are you looking for a job-oriented course? Learn from the basics to advanced levels of digital marketing. Join Shri Digital Service Advanced Digital Marketing Training Course. Digital Marketing Course Index. Introduction to Digital Marketing. Search Engine Optimization, SEO. Social Media Marketing, SMM. Search Engine Marketing, SEM. Web Analytics. Content Strategy. Digital Marketing. Introduction to Digital Marketing. What is digital marketing? Importance of digital marketing. Difference between traditional marketing and digital marketing. How to use digital marketing to increase sales. Search Engine Optimization, SEO. What is SEO? On-page optimization. Off-page optimization. Keywords research and analysis. Social media marketing, SMM. Definition of social media marketing. Social networking. Use of different social media platforms. Facebook advertising. Video creation and sharing. Content creation. Graphics creation using Canva. Search engine marketing, SEM. Introduction to SEM. Google AdWords. Campaign creation. Ad creation, approval and extensions. Keyword targeting. CPC, CPA and CPM based accounts. Demographic targeting bidding. Web Analytics. Introduction to Web Analytics. Google Analytics, an overview. KPIs and tools integration. Audience reports and analysis. Behavior analysis. Social media analytics. Content strategy. Blogging. Article marketing. Promotional content. Guest blogging. Social media content. Thanks for appreciating our job, and we will continue working hard to meet your expectations. Call now. +91 8340223713. Thank you.